Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Excel and creating a clear workbook structure because consistent inputs reduce cleanup later. First, create the table using Ctrl+T so filters and structured references work automatically. Name the table in Table Design. Next, define each column type: text for ID, date for date, choice for category, number for value, so Excel enforces formats. Once done, add a sample row and save to OneDrive or a shared folder to enable simultaneous collection and automatic version history. Now you construct the input controls that prevent errors during collection. Set data validation lists for category and numeric rules for value with clear input messages so users know constraints. Then apply conditional formatting to highlight missing or out-of-range values, which gives instant visual feedback. Create a separate data entry sheet that references the main table. This keeps raw data clean. Finally, protect the workbook structure and only unlock the input cells so contributors can enter data without altering formulas or headers. Finish by automating and verifying the workflow so collection scales. Use Power Query to append incoming CSVs or sheets and to transform data automatically, or create a small macro for repetitive cleanup. Share the workbook with explicit edit permissions and test with 2 users to confirm sync behavior. If conflicts appear, make sure to check OneDrive version history and resolve duplicates. If things go wrong, run Excel's error checking, undo recent steps, and restore a previous version. This recovers lost work quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.